Where the hell is this message? Was it February or April? It's been hours and I still can't find it. I can filter by sender, date, and even words. Okay, yeah, now that's a different story. Hey guys, it's Rob, your YouTuber at Mailbird. Ever find yourself going nuts trying to look for a specific email message? Well, we've all been there. Even sometimes using the search bar may not make life much easier. Today I'm here to show you how to apply different filters that will help you on your quest to find that untraceable email message. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Gmail. Step 2. Click the Show Search Options icon on the right side of the search bar. Step 3. Apply filters. Step 4. Once selected, click Search. And voila! Well guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Want more of this? Make sure to drop your questions in the comment section below so I can develop more Gmail content to help you find the best solution. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below to support the channel, and stay tuned for more Gmail tutorials.